Let's learn some important road signs. Stop sign. Come to a full stop and proceed when it's safe. Yield sign. Slow down and give way to other vehicles. No entry. Do not enter this road. One way. Traffic only flows in one direction. Speed limit. Maximum speed allowed on this road. No parking. Parking is not allowed here. No U-turn. You are not allowed to make a U-turn. No overtaking. Do not pass other vehicles. Turn left only. You must turn left ahead. Turn right only. You must turn right ahead. Pedestrian crossing. Watch for people crossing the road. School zone. Slow down, children may be crossing. Curve ahead. Road curves, drive carefully. Slippery road. Road may be slippery when wet. Steep hill. A steep incline or descent is ahead. Traffic signal ahead. Be ready to stop at traffic lights. Road narrows. The road will become narrower. Falling rocks. Rocks may fall onto the road. Railroad crossing. Train tracks cross the road ahead. Animal crossing. Animals may cross, proceed slowly. Hospital sign. A hospital is nearby. Fuel station. Gas petrol station ahead. Rest area. Stop to rest, eat, or use facilities. Airport sign. Direction to the nearest airport. Parking area. Parking is allowed here. Bus stop. A designated bus pickup and drop-off spot. Bicycle lane. Lane for bicycles only. Dead end. The road ends ahead, no through traffic. Roundabout ahead. Circular intersection coming up. Bridge ahead. A bridge is ahead, drive carefully.